The 2004 through 2008 Ford F150 suffers from warning light malfunctions, individual gauge problems, and flashing or inoperative digital odometer display. In most cases, the parking brake light stays on at all times. In some cases, the airbag warning indicator will become inoperative and cause a dinging sound when codes are thrown in the RCM or Restraint Control Module. Warning indicator problems are extremely common on this cluster. Gauge problems are less common, but they can happen. The cluster can also shut down at times, leaving the radio and windows inoperative. During the repair process, we will first bench test and verify your complaint, so please give us a good description of the issue you're experiencing. During the repair service, we will repair all pertinent power supplies, gauge IOs, display issues, and replace backlighting bulbs if requested. We always make sure to address your concern first and call with any questions before repair. You can count on a quality repair and people you can speak with when you need questions answered. All you need to do is start here by answering the information on this page and clicking the Add to Bag button. Then follow the prompts with your email, billing, and shipping information before paying for your repair. The website will charge you for the repair and return shipping of your part. Once you're done, just print your receipt and follow the instructions on the paper. Oh, and please make sure to include a copy of your receipt within your shipment. It's the only way we know who your part belonged to. Thanks for visiting us.